Grammarly Premium promises to take your writing from good to polished, but is it worth paying for? On the plus side, Premium adds advanced tools that go far beyond grammar. You get clarity rewrites, vocab suggestions, tone adjustments, and plagiarism checker. For professionals, students, and content creators, you get all of these, and these features can save time and make your writing sound sharper and much more confident. It also integrates everywhere: email, browser, Word, Google Docs, so you're not stuck copying and pasting text, and for many users, those real-time corrections feel like having a personal editor on demand. It's not perfect. At around $12 a month, it's not cheap. Some suggestions feel overly rigid, especially for creative writing, and if you only need basic grammar fixes, the free version might be enough. Here's the bottom line. Grammarly Premium is worth it if you write daily and need polished professional results, but if you're an occasional writer or just, want a simple error correction, stick with the free plan. You won't be missing much. Do you want me to break down Grammarly Premium against the free version in a direct comparison? I'll do that for you. Let me know in the comments. Like this video if you liked it, and subscribe if you want to see more vids from us, and I'll catch you next time.